تقرب منازلها إلا محب، زايد أسسها واليوث وراها، داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها، لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب، زايد أسسها واليوث وراها، داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها، نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها، نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. داري لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب، زايد أسسها واليوم وراها، داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. وام الشيوخ اللي الله رعاها، ربت قروم للوطن هم سند، لا تذكر الفزعات إلا طراها، مداتها بالعطايا هي تسد. وام الشيوخ اللي الله رعاها، ربت قروم للوطن هم سند، ولا تذكر الفزعات إلا طراها، مداتها بالعطايا هي تسد. وابو خالد الذي أمن ذراها تحت راية.
So welcome Mr. Alke. Can you please in the beginning introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Alke Verma. I hail from India. I'm here in UAE from last 15 years.
Yeah.
Thanks to the leadership and thanks to the sheikhs who have created a very nice environment for the business. I came here in 2004 and 5 as a employee of one of our largest group from India to set up their manufacturing plant. And then maybe 4 or 5 years later, I thought of coming out of the employment and starting my own business. And then since 2010 onwards, I am on my, I started a second inning in my profession as an entrepreneur.
Yeah. So you, Mr. Alke, so you choose also to live and business in UAE. So you would think that supporting of government here at a special other country?
There are a couple of points which makes United Arab Emirates a very special place to start a business and then take it to the different heights. And one of those reasons is that a very transparent policies, systems, conducive environment as far as all the statutory requirements are concerned. Coming back on the business environment with respect to the industries and to the other environments related to the finance or market availabilities and all. It has become a center for the Middle East, and now it is not only the Middle East to the CIS countries, to Europe.
Yes.
So very friendly environment to start and to progress and further to grow your business.
Yeah. Please tell us what the challenge you faced up when you decided to open the first business in UAE.
It is not exactly a challenge, but when you start a business, we did not find the angel investors or incubation centers where the concepts or the ideas has been taken and then they are nurtured and getting converted into the business. So initial couple of years there were hiccups in terms of organizing the finances for the required business. But then the banks comes forward, your other institutions, and establishments supports, and then things takes off.
Mr. Alke, talking about the history of the Power and Sun with the service in the company?
Power and Sun was started by me in 2017, and the parent company of Power and Sun is Orange Overseas, which was started in 2013. Both Orange Overseas and Power and Sun, they are dedicated for a power backup and renewable sector. Their role, initially in the countries, nearby countries over here like Syria, Yemen, Lebanon. In 2013, 14, 15, there was a power crisis, and then they need to have a power backup systems. Those systems we were dealing it with, and now from 2016, 17 onwards, with the policy of DIVA, Dubai was the first emirate and the first country in the entire Middle East region,
Yes.
except the Jordan, who came up with the solar policy way back a decade. But in Dubai, when it started, it was like the start which just bursted into a full-fledged industry in a couple of years. We are in a solar business. We design and supply the solar components. We buy stock and then distribute it in this entire region. We got a footprints in more than 35 to 40 countries in and around the Middle East and Africa. The key support what we provided to the industry
Yes.
is actually creating a value in terms of making the project turnaround times smaller by at least 30-35%,
Yes.
and reducing the overall project cost by at least 2 or 3%. In some cases, it goes up to the 5%.
Yeah. Mr. Alke, what the future plan in the business in your company?
Renewable energy is a focus area by most of the countries in the Middle East region, especially in Dubai. There are a lot of efforts, or there are a lot of focus from the leadership, and we see a lot of policies and support coming up, from the government as well. Apart from looking out in these regions and supporting to our clients and our EPCs, we are also going to get into expansions in Africa and in the Asia side. This is one future plan. Second is, as the industry is on a maturity stage, 3 or 4 years in this market, the service of the plants or giving the guarantee to the investors back that what power they committed or what power they started producing in the beginning, the same power is made available in the subsequent years. So it needs a very professional and dedicated operations and maintenance services. So from this year we have started those services as well, and inshallah I think it will grow into a good folds.
International.
Thank you. Yeah.
Mr. Alke, what's meaning of success for you?
If it is, it's a little difficult question to reply in a short time and in a very crisp way. But I think hard work, and then one has to be honest to himself.
Yes.
Sincerity, and to whomsoever you work, whether the people which are before you or the people who are after you.
Yes.
Carrying them together is extremely important. So that's what we say always: cooperate, collaborate, and consolidate.
Yes. Who support with you?
My God, my family, my customers, my suppliers, and not the last, all the well-wishers, the people,
Yes.
of the country.
Yeah.
They're all, I think in general, everyone expects, the entire environment to be positive and things to, grow.
Please, Mr. Alke, send motivation message to all young people.
See, young people, I think one simple line message: you have more than 40-45 years of a professional life. Build it step by step, build it strong, and remember hard work, loyalty, sincerity, they always pay.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Alke. And finally, what would you say to our leadership in UAE?
Thanks a lot. I mean, I've been to at least 25 to 30 countries in my last 28 years of a professional life. The type of a vision, the type of focus, the type of dedication, and the willingness to support the businesses which I see it over here. I have not seen it to any other country which I have traveled it so far. So thanks a lot to His Highnesses, thanks a lot to all the sheikhs who have been very supportive, stood always to the people. And at the last, I would also like to thank them for the way they have managed and handled the entire pandemic period of last 1.5 year to 2 years. Managing it so well, controlling it so nicely, it's not an easy task. Yeah. Thanks to His Highness bin Zayed bin Rashid, all the other sheikhs who have been very, very supportive to the people who lives over here.